how this £10,000 coffee trailer makes £1,000 days UK blueprint. Let me start with a simple question. What if I told you that a small coffee trailer, not a cafe, not a franchise, not a high-risk restaurant, could realistically make £1,000 in a good day in the UK without massive debt? Most people immediately assume that sounds unrealistic. They picture expensive equipment, complicated licenses, staff headaches, rent, business rates, and years of experience. But here's the truth. Coffee trailers work because they avoid almost everything that kills small businesses. No long leases, no five-figure monthly overheads, no being locked into one location. This video is not hype. This is not motivation. This is a practical UK-specific breakdown of how coffee trailers actually work, how much they cost, how much they make, and whether this business model fits you. By the end of this video, you won't be guessing. You'll either say, "This is doable for me," or "This isn't for me, and now I know why." And both outcomes are a win. Let's start with why this model works so well in the UK specifically. First, the UK already has a coffee culture. People don't need convincing to buy coffee. They buy it every day. On the way to work, at markets, at events, at sports tournaments, at festivals, at corporate sites. Coffee is already normal spending. Second, coffee has strong margins. A cup of coffee might cost the customer £3 to £4. The ingredient cost is often under £1. That margin gives you breathing room. Third, coffee trailers avoid fixed location risk. If a cafe is in a bad spot, it's trapped. If footfall drops, rent doesn't. If the weather changes, the bills don't. A trailer moves. Bad location, you leave. Bad event, you don't book it again. Good location, you return. Fourth, the UK event economy is huge. Markets, fairs, private parties, weddings, corporate days, sports events, school events. And here's the key point most beginners miss. Private bookings are not weather dependent in the same way street trading is. You often get paid a flat fee, rain or shine. This flexibility is why coffee trailers survive where cafes fail. Let's talk numbers. Real numbers, not best case fantasy, not worst case fear. Trailer. A used catering trailer or converted horse box, around £10,000. You do not need new, you do not need fancy. Look on eBay UK, Gumtree, Facebook Marketplace. Winter is the best time to buy. People quit, prices drop. You renovate while others wait. Equipment, espresso machine, used, commercial. Around £2,000. Grinder, £500 to £800. Generator, quiet, very important, £1,000 to £1,500. Water tanks, plumbing, sinks, £500 to £1,000. Fridge, small freezer, hand tools, £500. Licenses and setup. Food hygiene registration, free but mandatory. Food hygiene training, around £100. Environmental health compliance, time and effort, not cash. Card reader, Square or Zettle. Low upfront cost insurance. Public liability insurance, around £50 to £60 per month. Realistic total startup range. You are realistically looking at £15,000 to £20,000 all in. That's still dramatically lower than a cafe, a franchise, a restaurant. You do not need perfection. You need reliability. Your trailer must have a hand wash sink, separate mandatory, hot water, wastewater tank, clean surfaces, proper ventilation. Your espresso machine must be commercial grade, be serviceable locally. Used machines are fine. Many cafes close every year. Their equipment still works. Your generator must be quiet. Markets and event organizers care. So do customers. If your generator annoys people, you will not be invited back. This is not about Instagram aesthetics. This is about smooth service. This scares people unnecessarily. In the UK, you register with your local council. Environmental health inspects. They want cleanliness, safe food handling, proper sinks, temperature control. They do not want to shut you down. They want compliance. You will also need public liability insurance, a base of operations or prep kitchen. You usually cannot wash commercial equipment at home. Many people rent shared kitchens cheaply. This is manageable, not scary, not expensive. This is where money is made or lost. Coffee brings people in. Cold drinks make the money. Why? Because speed matters. Pulling espresso takes time. Pouring lemonade does not. Simple menu. Espresso drinks, iced coffee, lemonades, seasonal specials. Kids buy cold drinks. Non-coffee drinkers buy cold drinks. Margins stay high. Seasonal changes matter. Summer, iced, fruit, refreshing. Autumn, pumpkin, maple, winter, hot chocolate, flavored lattes, simple menu, fast service, high throughput. Let's be honest, UK weather is unpredictable. Public markets, high upside, high risk. Private bookings, lower risk paid regardless of weather. Smart operators prioritize corporate bookings, private events, schools, sports tournaments. Street trading is optional. Private work is stability. Mobility is your advantage. Use it. Let's ground this. Good morning event, £700 to £1,000. Busy, all-day event, up to £1,000 or more. Private booking. Flat fee, often £300 to £500. Not every day is good, not every event works. But overhead is low, that's the point. Here's what sinks people. Overspending on aesthetics, complicated menus, bad locations, ignoring weather risk, expecting instant success, treating it like a hobby. This is a business. Simple systems win. This is not for people who hate early mornings, people who avoid sales, people who want passive income, people who refuse weekends. This is for practical builders, side hustlers, people who value flexibility, people who want control. If this interests you, your next step is not buying equipment. Your next step is research trailers, speak to councils, visit markets, price insurance, talk to operators, information before action. This business works, but only if you do. You don't need permission, you don't need perfection, you need clarity and action. If this helped you understand what's possible, subscribe. This channel is about practical escape plans, not hype. Next, we'll break down food vans, higher risk, higher reward, so you can decide what path actually fits you. Thanks for watching. Now go do the research most people never will.